Hey, welcome back to another video. You have Saibe Kamara here again, and I'm in my home place, which is Bansang, and also which is located in CRR. I believe it is one of the biggest region we have in the Gambia, and I'm saying I want you guys to come to CRR. If you can remember, we did a video about CRR. That is when we went to Jarume Koto. We show you Makati. We show you the lodge also, I think, that you have in Makati, and then we show you a lot of things in CRR. So now I am in my homeland, which is in Bansang. So I want to show you some of the things that you get access, easily get access when you are in Bansang. One of those things is a hospital, a healthcare. It is one of the things that when you come to CRR, you will get access to it, because we have healthcare system here is very smooth, it's very good, and it's one of the biggest hospital in the Gambia. So I just want to show you some of the things that you will get when you come to Gambia. And I have a lot of things to show you. We have the hills in the Gambia, and especially in Bansang we have hills. So I'm going to show you a tip of that will be a surprise to you guys, how beautiful and how is the view of on top of the hills. So don't worry, just stay with me. Make sure you click that subscribe button, you like it, and you share it to the four corners of the world. So just follow me. I'm going to show you some of the things. One of the things that I want to show you right now is the fence of the School of Enrolled Nurses and Midwifery, which is located in Bansang. We have a school of nurses in the Gambia, in Bansang too. So I just want to tell you guys, these big schools are not only located in the West Coast region. So we also have them here. So stay with me. I want to give you some news, because some of if I can remember, some of the subscribers are asking us whether if they come to CRR they will have a good lodging. Yes, we have Bintu's Lodge, we have I think Mbaka's Lodge, something like that. I'm going to show you all those things that are available in Bansang here. So just stay with me. So follow me and you will see a lot of things. So that is part of the fence in which the school is. This is one of the fence, and it go all the way to that place. I think it is somehow 75 meters away from this place. That is fence where it is going. So I'm going to show you. Just come. My cameraman, I have a very good cameraman behind there. So you can see that's the highway over here, and then that's the school fence we have over here. So I'm just going to be behind the camera and I'll be talking and then I'll show you things that we have here. Okay. Well, now you can see the fence that we have here, and that's my boy over there, right in bicycle. I miss my friends. Yeah. So that is the fence of the school, the nursing school that we have in the Gambia. And then I'm going to show you a lot of things. Yes, just stay with me. Now you can see the highway, and we have a petrol station over here. I think still now there's a scarcity of fuel. Still now there is scarcity of fuel in the Gambia, especially in the rural areas. As you can see, there are a lot of cars parking over there, and you have I think there's scarcity of fuel, and you have a car wash over there. So if you come with your car, don't worry about washing your car. You have good access to all these things, and you have a welder man over here. So if you come to Bansang and you want to get a lot of things, it's easily you can easily access these things. Well, you can see that is the school gate. That is the SEN. You have School for Enrolled Nurses and Midwives, which is in Bansang, CRR. You can see we have the school over here. I just want to show you something. Yeah. You can see the name over here. That is the School for Enrolled Nurses and Midwives, SEN Bansang, CRR region. So we got a lot of things to show you. You can see over here, that is the school gate. and you have beautiful buildings inside there. You can also see we have a pharmacy here. Yes, actually it is owned by one of my brother. He's slightly a brother to me. You can see the campaign UDP. You can see UDP. Actually, Nice Gambia is not a fan of any to call this political party in the Gambia. Yeah. Also, you can see we have, this is the hospital again. So you can see that the hospital where the school stop, that's exactly where the hospital in the front view. That's where it starts again. And you have a signboard over here. I think the cars normally, because it is a hospital, so they have to put a stop, a signboard over there. And you can see the shops that are around the hospital. You can see them. You can also see the hospital inside. You can see the hospital. It is actually, I know today is my first time of doing this. People will be saying, hey, I think our brother is getting mad now. Whoa, I just want to do this for you guys. I want to show you the hospital inside the Gambia. So just stay tuned with us. Stay tuned with Nice Gambia. We are getting closer to the hospital gate, and you have a sleeping police over here. We call it sleeping police because even at night, no matter what, it is always whenever you reach at it, you have to reduce your speed. And you have some shops over here, and that's the hospital gate. That's hospital gate. I'm not going to get inside, but I will show you the name clearly. I will just try to zoom it small and show you the name. If you can see the entrance there, right there, Bansang Hospital. It is written there, Bansang Hospital, and you have, it's actually a very big and a very good hospital. And I think they are trying to do things. And you have another shop over here, so don't worry about the shops when you come to CRR. And actually they are trying to grow some things that will actually, our motto, growing trees in the Gambia. As you can see, they are growing I think some plants. Yes, there was a time they hold a campaign here saying no to deforestation. So I think they are really they are really doing effort of that, seeing that around the hospital you have a lot of trees. There's another sleeping police over here. So actually the hospital have what we call Cuban quarters, where the Cubans stay when they come to Bansang Hospital. Yeah, actually I cannot estimate the number of people that are working inside the hospital. They are very huge. You have lot of people are working in this hospital over here, so I cannot estimate. But you can see this is one of the quarters, Bansang. This is one of the quarters, people that are staying outside. But inside also has lot of quarters, lot of them, massive quarters. Actually, I cannot get access to the hospital. Yeah. So you have the garage here. When you are coming to the hospital has its own garage. As you can see, UDP. So like I was saying, you can easily get access to taxis if you come to Gambia. You have one here. This is where the taxis where they normally park. So from the hospital you can come here and board a taxi and go inside the village, inside the town there. Yeah. So Bansang is really nice. Another quarters is over there. These are the big man's quarters. Yeah. So actually the hospital get another gate here. We call it the emergency door. Sorry, the emergency gate. Yeah, the emergency gate. You can see it is written there, Bansang Hospital. So as you can see, they are trying to put trees, plants all over the hospital. You can see. You can see after that place they are saying no to deforestation, and I think inside the city they planted. They are the one that are planting some trees in the area. So I don't want to keep this video long. I just want to give you updates of what you have in Bansang, especially. Actually, the place that I stayed is called Sukurkunda. Sukurkunda. So you see the hospital still now. All of this is part of the hospital until over there, and you have this Johnson that goes to the main power station. That is the Johnson over there. Actually, they are the ones serving the whole of Sierra. Yeah. So now, if you come to this place, you have two diversions. One of the diversions have to go to the back way. We call it back way. It's the one that when you are going to pass it and you don't want to enter inside Bansang, this is the way you use over there. But if you want to go inside Bansang, actually where the taxi just take a turn, that's the road that leads to inside Bansang. So just stay with me. This is what I have for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like it, and share it to the four corners of the world. And saying subscribe, you know, subscribe, man.